show that the sequence with the sums of the first n terms given by Sn equals to 3n squared plus 5n is an arithmetic sequence. Find the first terms and the common difference. Again, this is a word problem. This n, given that Sn is 3n squared plus 5n, show that is an arithmetic sequence. To show arithmetic sequence, what we need to show is to show that d is a constant. So before to get d, we have to find the relationship between Tn and also Sn. What is the relationship? For instance, let's say T1 plus T2 plus T3. This is a series of 3 terms. We want to find T3. So what we do, we can use T1 plus T2 plus T3 minus T1 plus T2. So when you minus T1, T2, T1, T2, we cancel out, remaining T3. Then we can say T3 is equal to S3 minus S2. Similar for T2. T2 is equal to T1 plus T2 minus T1. Or it can be written as T2 equals to S2 minus S1, as T1 is equal to S1. So what is Tn? In general, Tn is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So first of all, we have to find the Sn minus 1. So find Sn minus 1 by substituting this n minus 1 into the n. So it's 3n minus 1 squared plus 5n. n minus 1, n minus 1. And then square the n minus 1. We have 3 times n squared minus 2n plus 1 plus 5n minus 5 times is 3n squared minus 6n plus 3 plus 5n minus 5. We have 3n squared minus 6n plus 5n is minus n. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. This is Sn minus 1. So from Sn minus 1, we can find Tn. Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1 is equals to 3n squared plus 5n minus 3n squared minus n minus 2. By simplifying the right hand side, 3n squared minus 3n squared, 5n minus n, we have 6n, minus 10 minus 2, 6n plus 2. This is Tn. So we have our Tn already. Now we're going to find the constant d. The constant d is given by Tn minus 1. We already have Tn. Now we proceed to find Tn minus 1. So Tn minus 1 equal to 6 times, substitute n minus 1 into n. So we have 6 times n minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 6n minus 6 plus 2, which is equal to 6n minus 4. This is Tn minus 1. Then we proceed to find the common difference. D is equals to tn minus tn minus 1, which is equals to 6n plus 2 minus 6n minus 4. Simplify this, 6n minus 6n cancel out. 2 minus minus 4 is 6. And 6 is a constant. Therefore, we say Sn is an arithmetic sequence. Let's carry on. Find the first term and the common difference. The common difference is 6. Now the first term is equal to the sum of the first term as 1. So S1 is 3, substitute n as 1, 1 squared plus 5 times 1. That is 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. This is T1.